Good day, everyone. Today, we will talk about the global issues that concern schools and society. So, first of all, we will discuss at least two global issues and explain proposed solutions to the same. This chapter 5 is on global issues that schools must be concerned about. The introduction of this chapter is: the world has become a global village. We have become a citizen of a global community. What takes place in one part of the global, no matter how far, affects us. We will discuss global issues that affect schools and arts. It is hoped that you are able to propose solutions to social problems which have become current global issues. So, the problem of this society is about COVID-19. Many people become affected of it because of ECQ, or enhanced community quarantine. People weren't able to go outside to seek for food because of health risks. So, President Duterte declared lockdown the nation to avoid the spreading of COVID-19. So other school universities propose a solution of this problem so that the class do constantly. They do a virtual class with their students as their mode of learning, since students can't go to school to do a face-to-face learning. Students, it's just to send their reports or the task given from their teacher through social media. So these are the top 10 global issues according to Chloe Turner. First, climate change. Second, pollution. 3, violence. 4th, security and well-being. 5th, lack of education. 6, unemployment. 7, government corruption. 8, malnourishment and hunger. 9, substance abuse. And 10, terrorism. So these are the percentage top 10 global issues according to millennials based on World Economic Forum's Global Shaper survey in 2017. The first is climate change or destruction of wars had 48.8%. Large-scale conflicts or wars had 38.9%. Inequality, income discrimination had 30.8%. Poverty had 29.2%. Religious conflicts had 23.9%. Government corruption had 22.7%. Food and water security had 18.2%. Lack of education had 15.2%. Safety, security, well-being had 14.1%. Lack of economic opportunity and employment had 12.1%. The 17 Sustainable Development Goals for the period 2015-2030. The first goal: end poverty in all its forms everywhere. It is said that poverty affects many people because of lack of their needs, because of insufficient resources. The second goal: end hunger, achieve food security and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. Poverty is a connection of hunger. This made people die because of inadequate food provision and weren't able to get the nutritious food that bodies need because it's undernourished. The third goal. The next goal is healthy living. We can ensure that people will achieve the healthy living when we resolve the poverty. We can get it back for all at all ages, and the education will give equitable quality that is inclusive for all to promote lifelong learning and opportunity. The fifth goal: achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. The next goal is gender equality. Achieving gender equality made people treat one another like that no one is greater, and this also empower all women and girls. The sixth goal: ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. Availability and sustainable resource of water will ensure people get to sustain their thirst and for their plants. The seventh goal, ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. Assessing the modern energy for all, we can assure that people will afford the sustainability of light. We know that people can't live in darkness. The next goal, promote a sustainable work that is inclusive for all to increase the economic growth for enriching build infrastructure. The next goal is reduce inequality. We human doesn't have the level of settlement. Let's make it equal and inclusive for all that is safe, resilient, and sustainable. The next goal, we can protect our ecosystem by sustaining good works to combat the climate change. The next goal, protecting our oceans and seas from pollutions of marines, we can conserve the reefs on the ocean and also the animals that living on it. The next goal, if we are connected one, we can promote peaceful and we can strengthen the partnership to implement in preserving the planet Earth. So those are the 17 Sustainable Development Goals for the period 2015-2030.